Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. Okay, today, as promised, I'm going to announce the winner for the naming of this brush. This is the new Kevy Shaves brush from DS Cosmetic. There's the logo there. I've showed you this in the video before, and the aim of the contest was to come up with a name for this kind of brush handle, and so the whole brush, whatever you guys came up with, I would choose one winner and they would get this brush. So here it is here, yeah. So we had over, myself and DS Cosmetic, well, on the video there was over 400 different names for the brush. Some people came up with the same name for the brush. That was fine, but some really good names. I'm just reading some here. There's a lot of people went for the same name, but kind of expected, because it does kind of look like that. Midnight Swirl, Midnight Storm, Midnight Thunderstorm, Dark Smoke, Night Smoke, Black Marble, and there was even one called, which made me laugh, the McBrushy Face Brush. The McBrushy Face Brush. Yeah, that made me laugh. But there can only be one winner, so we had to choose a name for this brush, and the winner of the name of the brush, only one person came up with this name, and the winner is Jack Gillespie. And Jack came up with the name The Discovery. That's the name of this brush now. It's called The Discovery. Now let me explain the reason that we chose that name. Where I come from, the city of Dundee in Scotland, that's where there's a ship that's moored in Dundee called The Discovery, and it's Captain Scott, Captain Robert Falcon Scott. He led an expedition to the Antarctic in 1901 to 1904, and they were sent to the ice to kind of research stuff and stuff like that. And the boat, or the ship, I'll put a picture of it up just now and you can have a look at it. So that was the ship. That ship is called the Discovery. Yeah, that went through the ice and stuff, and it found different things, and it was quite a groundbreaking voyage. I'll put links to everything, and you can go and read up about it. But the ship was called the Discovery. It was built here in Dundee by the shipbuilders here in Dundee. So yeah, quite a I think quite an apt name for this brush, as I'm from Dundee. So this is now called the Discovery, this handle. And the winner is Jack Gillespie. So congratulations, Jack. Thank you for coming up with that name. Yeah, I liked it. I just liked the name. Yeah, as I say, Dundee is now, I think the tagline for kind of the city of Dundee is one city, many discoveries. It used to be called the City of Discovery because of the boat. Well, I keep calling it a boat, it's a ship. It's because of the ship, it used to be called the City of Discovery, and it's moored permanently here in Dundee next to the V&A Museum, the Victoria and Albert Museum, which is a new building in Dundee. So I just thought it was really apt, and the people at DS Cosmetic kind of agreed that that's what this should be called. So it's this handle, this brush handle on their website will now be called the Discovery. So I just thought it was an apt name, me coming from Dundee. So well done, Jack. If you can get in touch with me, or I'll try and contact you with your address. I'm not sure where you are in the world, but wherever you are, I'll mail this brush out to you. Thank you once again to everyone who entered. Very good. As I say, over 400 entries, and I think DS Cosmetic have said that they might do some more competitions kind of along the line of that, because it was so popular. It proved very popular. So congratulations, Jack. This brush is yours. It will be sent out to you as soon as I can, or as soon as you contact me with your address and stuff like that. And yeah, for those of you that did enter and didn't win, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Some great names, which made me laugh. The McBrushy face brush. Yeah, but very, very good. You all put your minds into it and thought up some great names, but only one winner, and that's Jack Gillespie, who's called this brush the Discovery, or this handle. Yeah, very good. And there's the logo again. Kevy Shaves DS Cosmetic. Excellent. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.